Welcome, curious minds. Ever ponder on the art of growing tomatoes from seeds well? Today the spotlight shines on this fulfilling, yet surprisingly straightforward process. Imagine the joy of watching a tiny seed sprout, grow and eventually bear vibrant, tasty tomatoes. The journey begins with a seed. A tiny capsule of potential, waiting to burst forth into life. Step 1. Gather the essentials. A packet of tomato seeds, a seed tray or small pots, some good quality seed compost, and a clear plastic bag or propagator. A sunny windowsill or a greenhouse also does wonders. Step 2. Sow the seeds. Fill the seed tray or pots with compost, leaving about a centimeter from the top. Scatter the seeds over the compost surface, ensuring they have enough space to grow. Then cover the seeds lightly with a layer of compost. Step 3. Provide the perfect environment. The seeds need warmth, not light, to germinate, so place the seed tray in a propagator, or cover it with a plastic bag and put it in a warm room. The optimal temperature for germination is around 18 to 20 degrees Celsius. Step 4. Patience is key. Wait for the magic to happen. Germination usually takes about 7 to 14 days. Once seedlings appear, remove the cover and move the tray to a bright spot, preferably a sunny windowsill. Step 5. Nurture the seedlings. When they have developed their first true leaves, carefully transplant them into 3-inch pots. Keep them well watered but not waterlogged, as tomatoes detest being overly wet. Step 6. Prepare for transplanting. When the risk of frost has passed, and the seedlings are about 8 inches tall, it's time to move them to their final growing spot. This could be a greenhouse, a sunny spot in the garden, or a large container. Remember to harden off the plants for a week before planting them out. Step 7. Plant out the tomatoes. Dig a hole deep enough to bury 2/3 of the plant, as this encourages a strong root system. Water the plants well, and stake tall varieties to provide support as they grow. To sum up, growing tomatoes from seeds involves sowing the seeds, providing warmth for germination, nurturing the seedlings, and finally planting them out. It's a journey of patience, care, and a little bit of green finger magic. So why not give it a try? It might just be the start of a new rewarding hobby. And there you have it. The art of nurturing life from a tiny seed to a fruitful plant. It's more than just a process, it's a labor of love, a testament to the wonders of nature. The satisfaction of biting into a fresh, juicy tomato that sprang from a seed you planted is simply unparalleled. So, whether you're a seasoned gardener or a novice looking to dip your toes into the world of horticulture, remember, every great garden started with a single seed.